Hi, I'm Dr. Joanette. Today we are going to be making vegan sausage. If you've ever looked at the price of pre-made plant-based sausage in the store, you are going to want to grab this recipe. It's made from all simple ingredients like tofu and vegetables that are easily and readily available at a reasonable price. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss my SIS Simple as Smart tip for this sausage recipe, and also my neuro nutrition nugget about tofu. Before we get started, we want to press some tofu. Take a package of tofu, drain the water off of it, and wrap it in a paper towel or in a regular cloth towel. You are then going to take it and press it. You want to press it with an object that's heavy, such as, I used a cutting board here, but you could also use a heavy cast iron skillet with some additional weight in it. Leave it pressed for about 30 minutes to extract as much of the moisture out of it as you can. Once you're done pressing it, set aside, and let's go ahead and... For today's neuronutrition nugget, we're talking about bean curd. Bean curd is one of those foods that is so nutritious for your brain. It is packed with protein, iron, calcium, as well as other essential nutrients. It is also an essential source of amino acids. Amino acids also help in the production of neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that send the signals between your nerve cells in your brain. This in turn helps you remember things as well as learn better. In addition, tofu is also a great source of calcium, and calcium is not just good for your bones, it's also great for your brain, because it is essential for the communication between your nerve cells in your brain. So, if you're looking for a food that can give your brain a boost, look no further than some tofu. Into a blender, you want to put 10 ounces of sliced mushrooms, a medium onion that's sliced, and about 4 cloves of roasted garlic. Blend that all together until you have a nice smooth paste. Then put the smooth paste into a skillet and cook it on medium heat until it becomes a thick paste. Set that aside, and into your blender add 1 cup of carrots and 8 ounces of your pressed tofu. Blend it until it is nice and smooth. Take a medium bowl and add your blended tofu along with your mushroom paste. To that mixture, you're going to add a cup of vital wheat gluten, a couple of teaspoons of Italian seasoning, some black pepper, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons of ham-flavored broth base. It's vegan. You can get it on Amazon. And 1 teaspoon of umami powder. Also, if you like your sausage spicy, add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Stir that together, and you may want to use your fingers to kind of mix it. Don't over mix it though, and you don't want to knead it, as it will become extra tough and chewy if you do over mix it. Let it rest for about 20 minutes, and now you're ready to make your vegan sausages. For today's Simple as Smart tip, we're going to talk about why you should make your own vegan sausage rather than purchase store-bought sausage. For starters, store-bought vegan sausages are expensive, and they may also be loaded with preservatives as well as additives. By making your own, you start with just tofu, you add vegetables and herbs and seasonings, and this ensures that you are eating a clean and wholesome meal. Plus, tofu is also a great source of protein. It's easily flavored with whatever spices and herbs you want to add to give it the taste of the sausage that you prefer. Take the mixture and split it into 8 equal pieces. If you like breakfast sausages, split it into 16 pieces for 16 breakfast sausages. However, the 8 pieces will make nice sized sausages for a hot dog bun or for slicing. Once you've shaped one of the portions into a hot dog shape, go ahead and roll it in a piece of aluminum foil and then twist the ends of the aluminum foil to give you that sausage shape and tighten the foil around the sausage. Repeat with all of your portions of the dough, and once you have all 8 sausages made, place it in a steamer basket. Steam that for 30 minutes. Make sure you check the water about halfway through because you don't want it to run dry. Take the steamer basket out, let the sausages cool, and then unwrap them. Now you're ready to use them for whatever you want to use them for. You can slice them, you can chop them, you can use them, you can barbecue them or fry them and put them in a hot dog bun. And if you don't have a use for them right away, go ahead, put them in a Ziploc bag, freeze them for up to a month. Or if you have a vacuum pack system, go ahead and vacuum pack them and freeze them for up to 6 months. Enjoy your vegan sausages at your next barbecue. Thank you for watching. Please click that like button and subscribe. For this recipe, as well as other vegan or non-vegan recipes, go to growwithdrjoanette.com.